Well met, my own true love. Well met, tried see. Well, I've returned from South Sea, and it's all for the love of you. Well, I could have married the king's daughter there, and she would have married me. But I've forsaken my king's daughter there, and it's all for the love of thee. Well, if you could have married the king's daughter there, I'm sure it's yours claim. But I'm just married to a house carpenter, and I'm sure he's a fine young man. Well, forsake your house carpenter and sail away with me. I'll take you where the grass grows green and the shores of sunny Italy. Well, when they've been gone not to eat, I'm sure it was not free. Well, gallant was that ship sprang a leak, and it drifted to the bottom of the sea. Oh, well, what are those hills yonder, my love? Look as white as snow. Well, those are the hills, hellfire, my love, and I should know. Well, what are those hills yonder, my love, that look as black as night? Well, those are the hills, my love, where you and I shall unite. Where you and I shall unite. Where you and I shall unite. Thank you very much. That's an original song. Well, you turn the key in the door and it feels you missed a step on the stairs. The house is as lonesome as some lone shark's heart, and I called you, but you were not there. Just that dust kicking up through the air. Oh, you and oh, you and well, I'm 5 pints of bloodshot sanity. I keep the room cold as an offering to her, and without you, that black dog draws me in. You and well, I'm not a man that's much given to drama. My heart's woven like blue jeans, but as hard as I knew it would be, it is hard. The boiler pushes no steam. The world is as something unclean. Oh, you and oh, you and I'm 5 pints of bloodshot sanity. I keep the rooms cold as an offering to her. Without you, that black dog draws me. You and well, there's so much I would say to you, darling, about the sun-civilized world. In the small part I played in it today, very much indeed. Okay, I'm going to treat you to a topical song. This is another original. Banff Stream D? Yes, yes I am. Well, there was a time when I lived so easy down on the Benefit Street. Cold old walls and it died so greasy down on Benefit Street. Till a television man, he came up with a camera, a Cheshire cat grin and a suit of body armor. He said, "The son, you know I'd never do a thing to harm you down on Benefit Street." Well, Benefit Street, Benefit Street, the nicest kind of people you could ever hope to meet. Think we're nasty and we're common and we're stupid, you should see. Charlie Saatchi and the commons and the aristocracy. And it's you that set the rules to keep your crap so very cheap. And now it's kinda rich, you're calling us the cheats. Smith said he would feed me to the government alligators down on Benefit Street. Some university kid came up here looking for a souvenir. Well, I posed for his picture and I punched him in the ear. Somewhere down the line his daddy made mine to a pauper down on Benefit Street. Well, Benefit Street, Benefit Street, the nice kind of people you could ever hope to meet. Think we're nasty and we're common and we're stupid, you should see. Charlie Saatchi and the commons and the aristocracy. But it's you that set the rules to keep your crap so very cheap. Now it's kinda rich, you're calling us the cheats. I'm not gonna tell you about the violins playing down on Benefit Street, or about the many things that have been standing in my way down here on Benefit Street. But somewhere in the past, for I remember I was a farmer till Adam Smith and all his buddies caused a lot of drama. Baby, when I fell from heaven, I just fell a little harder down on Benefit Street. Well, Benefit Street, Benefit Street, the nicest kind of people you could ever hope to meet. Think we're nasty and we're common and we're stupid, you should see. Charlie Saatchi and the commons and the aristocracy. And it's you that set the rules to keep your crap so very cheap. And it's you that set the rules to keep your crap so very cheap. And it's you that set the rules to keep your crap so very cheap. And now it's kinda rich, you're calling us the cheap. Thank you. This is our that's our own blues song. Why don't we do it for you? Yeah, yeah. Well, heartbreak, well, that is pay dirt. The pig spread up where those weeds, any rumor, and scandal Okay, this is a version of Louis Armstrong's version of St. James Infirmary. Heaven down in old Joe's barroom, in the corner by the square, where the usual crowd was gathered, and Big John McKinney was there. Well, I was standing at his shoulder, in his eyes were a bloodshot red. Well, he turned to the crowd around him. These are the very words he said. Well, I went down to St. James Infirmary. Saw my baby there. Well, she was stretched on a long white table, so fine, so sweet, so fair. When I die, bury me in a high-top Stetson hat, put a $20 gold piece on my watch chain, and gotta know I died standing pat. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, where she can search this whole wide world over, she will never find another sweet man like me. 6 crap shooters in my paw belly, 3 pretty women sing this song, put a jazz band on my hearse wagon to raise hell as I rolled along. Well, I went down to St. James Infirmary, so my baby stretched on a long white table, so fine, so sweet, so fair, so fine, so sweet, so fair. Thank you very much. Pardon me. You're going up on the mountain and thing? Alright, this is another American folk song. Some of you might know it. Well, going up on a mountain where I make my stand, going up on a mountain where I make my stand, rifle on my shoulder, 6-shooter in my hand. I've been all around this world, Lord, I've been all around this world. Well, hang me, oh hang me, and I'll be dead and gone. Hang me, oh hang me, and I'll be dead and gone. Lord, let me hang, it's waiting in jail so long. I've been all around this world, Lord, been all around this world. Thank you. This is actually a song we played. When we played here for the Busking Festival. It's Cumberland Gap. Well, Cumberland Gap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap. Oh, dead and gone, oh, dead and gone, oh, dead and gone. Well, lay down, boys, take a little nap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap. Lay down, boys, take a little nap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap. And we're oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go. Well, my old man and my grandpa put a bustin' on man to the Cumberland Gap. My old man and my grandpa put a bustin' on man to the Cumberland Gap. And they're oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go. Well, I got a woman 6 feet tall, sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hole. I got a woman 6 feet tall, sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hole. And she oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go. Well, Cumberland Gap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap. My old man and my grandpa put a bustin' on man to the Cumberland Gap. Lay down, boys, take a little nap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap. Cumberland Gap, 16 miles to the Cumberland Gap. And they're oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go, oh, dead and go. Well, whoa, dead and gone, whoa, dead and gone, whoa, dead and gone. Oh, thank you. Okay, this is my own version of an old kind of country song, a humorous song. Now these boys haven't played it before in full, so it'll be a bit of an experiment. So I'm putting on the style in the key of D, for those that are interested. Well, candidate is talking to the people in the street. Some circuit in his head is fried and stuck him on repeat. For these he's so respectful, and for those he's got such guile. Though you know he's only really putting on a style. Well, the party is at conference in some unromantic town. They decide which channels they will ground. Well, they pose upon percentages and corpse per mile to aisle. Though you know they're only really putting on the style. On the green leather sofa of Westminster, take a look. They've only scanned the cover, though they'll say they read the book. Strings upon their fingers and their fingers on the dial. Though you know they're only really putting on a style. Well, they're putting on the agony, they're putting on a style. Well, that's what all the young folks are doing all the while. And you better learn to cry, boy, if you cannot learn to smile. Or watch everybody just putting on the style. Well, the captains of industry are furrowing their brow. They say prices must go up, boys, and the overheads come down. Though they call long distance from some European isle, and you know they're only really putting on style. And the grim finances in where the city mile, they calculate one golden egg till it looks like a pile. They scream, don't look too closely, boy, it's far beyond your guile. They're eating goose and they are only putting on style. Well, the man who owns the sun is aghast at the state we're in. In our Australian empire we have never heard of sin. And ship 'em back to Persia, though they're bombed upon the Nile. We love a good perversion when we're putting on style. We're putting on the agony, we're putting on style. That's what everybody has been doing all the while. And you better learn to cry, boy, if you cannot learn to smile. Or join everybody in putting on the style. Well, the preacher in the pulpit's giving us the hardest facts. His mind up from the scriptures smiles and he assures us that he's somehow on the wavelength of Jehovah's only child. Though you know he's only really putting on the style. And we all take retentions from profession and degree. We dress up in the costumes of the things we're paid to be. We all make such good waiters standing in our rank and file. Oh baby, you know if we're all just putting on the style. Oh now don't get me wrong, 'cause I don't want to be mistook. I too am just a product of so many songs and books. But only for a moment can we admit what we defile. And just now for a second quit from putting on the style. Well, putting on the agony, we're putting on the style. That's what everybody seems to do it all the while. And you'd better learn to laugh, boy, if you cannot learn to smile. Or join everybody in putting on the style. Well, you had better learn to laugh, boy, if you cannot learn to smile. Or join everybody in a putting on the style. All right, that was started. What we got? Okay, it's another original song. So, imagine that. Oh, D. Key of D. Well, imagine that it's turned fiction from fact, all in the name of sale. They deal with the devil, not even exclusive, shared with the Echo and Mail. It's unsaid that many, perhaps most, perhaps all of the fat criers down in the street, from high clanging brass bells to scavenging mongrel, have high yielding stocks in the sea. And is your mind a sorting house, or is it something more? Is it just a sewer pipe fixed in a lower floor? Can you even make an educated guess without swallowing the spoon? Now it's your fate. statistic in a game of numbers that's smacked in your head like a nail. How many road dog is holding you down for a heavy ringed hand to sail? Now how many will bark? How many accept this new classy payback kind of fiction they're wanting us all to believe? And the winnowing out of minds. Well, is your heart a battle man? Tears it an open door. First to starve in mystery and undirection war. The second for every honest visiting to be robbed 1,000 times and stained with sin. Well, there was a time when I thought I could cut through the fog, drink from the Holy Grail. So I threw myself through all that hullabaloo just to feel myself bleed and fail. But always me, yeah, always a right piece, my university scandal. And if my skin was thinner, I'd just be impaled on every straw hollow within. And no one dresses quite so fine as an expensive whore who has the funds to finally gild and avaricious court. 3 windows in your house show only night. Bless your pony off and pay them for life. Well, if you'll take your hands from the warmth of glass, first it's alarmingly pale. The subtler tones of this new world outside, like some incomprehensible braille. You'll find it out here, there's plenty glass you can plaster down in your flesh. And you'll find that the mirror was never the edit, but always a comic in flesh. And I have seen catacombs beneath the weight of law. And I have seen the coding molding all your mind and all. Like some human chair, each relies down on all. And if one sat upon should just stand, then the whole may fall. And if one sat upon should just stand, then the whole would fall. And if one sat upon should just stand, then the whole would fall. Thank you. Gonna do Rust, maybe? Gonna do Rust? We're doing G. In my head. Alright, that's another original song. Well, rust is in my head. Well, rust is in my heart. When you're born too late, you got an uphill kind of start. Too dull to cut my cloth rended apart. Oh, rust. Well, rust Ain't another day gone, and it was only true back then. All turns to dust when an angel counts to 10. Oh, oh, Rust. Rust in my iron. Well, rust is on my eyes. Well, there's no mirror holding any kind of a surprise. Bury me under an iron headstone when I die. Oh, rust. Oh, rust. Oh, rust. Oh, rust. Thank you. Cool. What should we do last one? We got last one. Yeah. I don't think I remember all the lyrics. Do you want to do Newport News? Why not? Do it, Lee? Alright, let's say Woody Guthrie song to finish off with. Well, I've been gambling up and downtown of Newport News, but the more I gamble, well, boys, the more I lose. Baltimore to Washington. Well, oh, Baltimore to Washington, boy. Well, oh, Baltimore to Washington. Well, oh, Baltimore to Washington. Oh, God, I guess they got troubles too. Well, the police know me up and down the line, but they don't know the trouble on my mind. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too long. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too, Lord God. I guess they got troubles too. Well, the police know me up and down the line, but they don't know the trouble on my mind. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too, Lord. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too, Lord God. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, these sweethearts know me up and down the line, but they don't know the trouble on my mind. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too, Lord. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too, Lord God. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Well, I guess they got troubles too. Thank you. Yeah, I might just do a solo and finish up here. I'll just give you a thank you to my band. Those guys are hard pressed to work with me. This is my last song I think I've got on my voice tonight. It's another old English kind of sailing song. I must be going, no longer staying. burning Thames I have to cross, and I will be guided without a stumble to reach the arms of my dear lad. And when he came to his true love's window, he knelt down gently on a stone, and as through a pane he whispered softly, "Well, my dear lover, are you alone?" She raised her head from her down soft pillow. Snowy were her milk white breast, saying, "Who is there now at my bedroom window, disturbing me from my long night's rest?" Well, I am your love, but you can't discover many miles tonight I've been, and I am weary from a long night's journey. Besides, I'm so tried down through my skin. Well, my dear Willie, oh, my dearest William, where's the color you'd sometime ago? Well, my dear Mary, the clay has changed me. I'm but the ghost of your Willie, oh. Well, Carket crew so fully, crew 3 hours for the break of day. Said before the daytime, before the sun shines, you know that I must be on my way. Well, my dear Willie, oh, my dearest William, when shall I see your good face again? When the fish they fly deep, and the seas run dry deep, and the mountains melt in the western rain. Seas run dry deep, fish they fly dear, and the mountains melt in the western rain.
Thank you very much indeed. Enjoy your evening.